Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on editing the sitemap and adding items to the menu in Microsoft Dynamics 365. I'm Slava, and today we explore how to customize the navigation structure to better fit your organization needs. Before we begin, let's get acquainted with the Microsoft Dynamics 365 menu structure we'll be working with in this video. Sitemap includes the following elements: area, group, and page, also referred as a sub-area item. There are two methods for editing the sitemap. Firstly, we will cover how to do it by using Power Apps interface. If you are working with a module-driven app, access the sitemap through the app designer in Power Apps, makepowerapps.com. First, open Apps and find the app you want to edit. If you don't see it in My Apps, check Shared with Me and All. If you still don't see the corresponding app, ask the system administrator to do so. Second, select the corresponding app and click Edit. Third, edit the navigation structure by adding, removing, or reorganizing groups and pages. Use the navigation column, select the appropriate element, then press three dots. Apply actions, move up or move down or remove from this navigation tab. You can do the same with groups and pages. Areas will be considered a little bit later. You can also edit properties on the right side, such as titles, IDs, localized variables, and descriptions. If you select a table in the navigation properties, you'll be able to select the set of views and charts to be applied there. Also, in the Settings tab, you can reset properties connected to the content type on the selected item, its title, its label, and its ID. Here is how you can create a new page or group in the navigation pane. First, click three dots next to any navigation element. Second, you can also click the button New or Add Page to add a new page. Third, you can also choose which views are available on the mobile app for each table in the sitemap. As you have seen, we have considered adding pages and groups. If you also want to work with areas, open Settings, then Navigation, then set the appropriate checkbox. After that, you have the possibility to work with areas above the navigation tab. Now, let's explore how to edit the default sitemap using advanced settings. First, navigate to the customization settings. In Dynamics 365, go to Settings, then Customizations. Select Customize the System. Second, find the sitemap. Under Components, select Client Extensions. Find the necessary sitemap and double-click that, or select and choose Edit from the toolbar. Third, edit the sitemap in the designer. Select the area, group, or sub-area tile to change its properties. Also, you can drag and drop these items and change their positions. If you want to add new item, then on the Sitemap Designer canvas, select the place where you want to add the corresponding element. Select the Add button on the designer, and then select Area, or Group, or Sub-area. If you are working with Sub-area, select what are you adding: a dashboard, entity, a web resource, or URL. Fourth, save your changes by clicking Publish all customizations for your edits to take effect. We have just discovered how to personalize the menu layout in Microsoft Dynamics 365. By adjusting the navigation setup, you make it easier to access important features, boosting productivity and engagement. Customizing the setup lets organizations create a more user-friendly Dynamics 365 environment. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorials. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned. We would love to hear your experience in the comments. Additionally, you can find a lot of exciting information on our blog. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our consultants. We are always here to help.